Alright guys, I ordered a Makita 10 1/4 inch 40 volt skill saw from Acme Tools. It was about at least $500. This is unboxing it fresh from shipping. Got here in a few days. It was pretty easy. Alright, first thoughts are this thing is huge looking at it. Nice presentation in the box, clean, no damage. Comes with a nice bag. Nice comfortable handle on it. Seems like it's gonna last a while. Some little handle for the saw, and there's the 10 1/4 inch blade. That's factory. Nice new charger. 40 volt. And there she is. The manuals. And there she is. First thought is it's similar weight to the smaller saw. It's actually, it feels like the same body as the other saw, just a big blade. Not sure if that's true or not, but comfortable, balanced, clean, well built. Uh, 40 volt battery, brand new. Let's see what size this one is. Nice battery presentation, easy to open. Battery feels fresh, clean, has a protective cover. And she goes, fires right up. I'm going to put the blade on first. I'm going to take the battery out. Make sure you do this if you're changing your blade. That handle felt a little loose. I'm going to take the blade out, and then I'm going to go for changing the sorry, I took the battery out. Now I'm going to change the blade. I'm going to grab the wrench. I'm showing you guys that's how you stop the blade. And now, which way is this? It's not lefty-loosey, it's righty-loosey, since it's the left side saw. All the hardware feels good, well calibrated hardware. Alright, there's a back nut that needs to stay on the saw before I put the blade on. And I'm going to tighten it back up. Blade wrench is easy to use. Into the slot, clicks in nice. Alright, gotta put that battery back in. Hence why you don't have the battery in when you're changing the saw blade. Alright, I'm gonna go make some cuts. Thought about that 6x6, but don't want to mess it up. Thought about that 6x6. Too heavy, don't mess with that. And oh, look at that saw. That's in the junk pile. Figured I'm going to do a cut that's facing the sun. So, showing you, this is, I charged the battery in between that shot, but that's 4 bars. There we go. Cuts like butter. Absolute butter. One hand and a 10 1/4 inch saw blade. Easy to go.
Very good.
Thumbs up. 2 thumbs up.